Good morning, Miss Garcia.
I miss you. I could kiss you right now.
Someday.
Curfew is now in effect. All unauthorized citizens must stay indoors.
Tensions rise as we enter the 213th week of
A
lockdown.
grim new reality emerges.
COVID-23 has mutated.
Hey, whoa! On the moon!
Sarah, open that door.
Sarah, do not open that door.
Beginning thermal scan. Anomaly detected. Armed guards will be arriving in 4 to 6 hours. You must not attempt to leave your home, or you will be shot on sight.
I know you're in there.
Sometimes we have to do things we don't want to survive.
I'm trying to save the one person left in my life that matters to me.
I can't help you. What you're talking about is illegal.
And remember, stay safe, sane, and sanitized.